Yeah, stanch boy. I just wanna cope up with the things that is happening now, on my lifestyle. I just wanna keep it the way I like. I'm living my life in a better life, in a better day. I know I will still make it too, cause I'm going to a better day. I'm just looking out for it just to make my mom happy, and that's why see me. I'm rapping now. I'm just happy. The mood I am. I'm very very happy this mood. You see me seeing the bright new day always make me happy. I'm happy to be among the living. I'm still happy to see you all. I'm still doing my things on college. I'm still respecting the ones on the street, those that first me enter the street, man. And that is why I see me, I keep going because I send nobody, I beat nobody. I just keep living my life the way I like it, and that is why I see me. I just wanna go forward, catch my good, and that is why I see me hustling hard for it. That is why I keep telling you guys hustle hard for yourself, because I'm trying my best. I don't wanna tell you guys lie. I will tell you guys the real story about me. Just hustle hard, man. Just try your best, man. Stand your boy on the beat.